Hello friends, myself Dr. ADHIR AHER. I am working as an Assistant Professor of Agriculture Botany at Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj College of Agriculture, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss on the quality seed production of onion. You know that onion is a very important vegetable crop in India, and it is originated from India as well as China. In some of the literature, you find that it is originated from the Southeast Asia to the Central Asia. That means the India and China are the two countries where this crop is originated. Botanically, it is named an Allium cepa. 2n is equal to 60. It is a biennial crop. That means it is completed in a 2 season. It is a long day plant and is a early stage. The growth of the good supply of moisture and required temperature should be fairly cool. And during the bulbing stage, the harvesting and the curing of the seed, fairly high temperature and low humidity is desirable. The seed production is widely adopted in temperate and subtropical region. It is a highly cross-pollinated species because of the protogynous nature. That means the androecium is mature earlier than the gynoecium. So the androecium will anthesis first, and then the stigma will be receptive. The stigma will be receptive when the shedding of the pollen is completely over, and that's why it is a cross-pollinated species. And the honeybee or the insect is the major vector for the cross-pollination. For the seed to seed production, it is a seed to seed production or bulb seed production is there. It is a cross-pollinated, and honeybees plays the important role. That's why during the seed production, the colonies of that honeybees plays important role, and it will increase the seed quantity. If you see these stages, similarly we have already discussed, there are the 4 stages: nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed. So in the breeder, foundation and certified seed, in case of the varietal seed production program, the breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed program, just maintenance of a variety is there. But when you are talking about the hybrid seed production, during the breeder seed and the foundation seed, there is a maintenance of a male sterile lines and their maintainer as well as the restorer. But in the certified seed production program, it is crossing program has been taken place, and the male sterile line is crossed with the restorer line. So this is the important stage regarding the stages of the seed production. If you see the varieties of this crop, number of varieties has been released in our country. Looking to our university, that is MPK Virahuri, in red onion we have released a variety that is N241, which is a very popular among the Maharashtra as well as the India, and other institute like IRI, then NBPGRI, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, then Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, then National Horticulture Research and Development Foundation at New Delhi, but there is a branch at Nasik. So all these institutes, they have released some of the popular varieties in this crop. Regarding the white onion, our university has released another variety, that is N257-9-1. And regarding the yellow onion, Phule Suvarna is one of the best variety released by our university. Likewise, the aggregatum onion, that means the onion which have been produced in a bulk, not in bulk, we can say it is in a combination form. They have the 4 to 5 bulbs are attached with each other, and this is known as the aggregatum onion. So Coimbatore TNAU, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University has released one important variety, the CO5. So these are the varieties, important varieties released in India. If you see the planting, there are the two seasons for the planting of the crop. That means first season, that is from July. Here in a diagram I have given. So in June to July, the seed sowing is there, and harvested the bulb in November, December, and in after December, January, they have again planted the bulb and raised the crop and harvested the seed. So this is the biennial crop. We will discuss thoroughly. So there are the two methods of the seed production: seed to seed methods and bulb to seed method. So seed to seed method, in that this first season bulb crop is left to overwinter in the field. That means the bulb, they have remained as such in the field. There is no any harvesting takes place, and after that, in the next following season, the seed, the crop will be grown and the seed will be harvested. So this seed to seed method can be practiced for the varieties having the poor keeping quality. Another method is the bulk to seed method. The bulb produced in the previous season are lifted, or it is selected, stored and replanted to produce the seed in the second year. That means here the selection pressure is applied. The breeders, they have selected the best quality bulb, and they have planted in a next season. So there is a question: what are what are the importance of this method? So here it permits the selection of the bulb. That means the true to type and healthy bulbs are selected. That they will give the higher yield, as well as they will give the best quality seed. So these are the two important methods. We will see one by one. The first one is the bulb to seed method. We will discuss only the bulb to seed method. In that, the first one is the bulb production stage. First, you have to develop the bulb from the seeds. So for that purpose, the season is already we have discussed, is the June to July. Middle June to middle July is a proper season. So if you see the climatic requirement or the climatic condition, mild climate is required for this crop, and during that stage the 15.5 to 21 degrees centigrade and 70% relative humidity is important. Land requirement, so field in which the previous crop is not onion, so this is the selected, or the if you the same variety has been taken in that field, then and then only it will be certified. So it will be grown various types of soil. but the well drained soil is very important, and which is able to retain the moisture for longer time. Heavy soil do not permit proper bulb development, and many times bulbs are mishaps. That means the soil which are having the pH, that is the 6 to 8, it's better for the development of the onion.